Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, we are going to be talking about the Cadet Pilot Program classes. Many of you have inquired about the Cadet Pilot Program vacancies. Well, there is a good news for you all. It's all opening up. The applications are being accepted. Both international and the domestic pathways have opened. So yes, without wasting any time, you all should start applying for those. So like I said, both international and the domestic pathways are open. The airlines that you could be looking for are Air Arabia, Qatar Airways, Emirates, SpiceJet, Singapore Airlines and Indigo. The classes we conduct here will be conducted on a daily basis. Well, we open in the morning, but you can come to us and study whenever you feel like. We will remain open until the evening. So yes, there is no fixed time. You can come and study as and when you feel like, and you can be here for as much time as you want. As you can see, only our highly qualified and dedicated instructors oversee our cadet pilot preparation classes with the professionalism, making sure that both the setting and curriculum fulfill our students' expectations. As a method to complete the criteria for cadets, our instructors place a strong emphasis on developing the abilities, attitude and knowledge of the pupils during all the phases of the session. Basically, you will be well trained, even your personality development classes, all that you need to be prepared to face the Cadet Pilot Program, written examination and the interview. We are going to prepare you thoroughly for those over here. So this course is created to give you a better understanding of the entire Cadet Pilot Program, screening and the evaluation process. We will advise you on what to do and what not to do. We will also help you perform well in the written test for your resume, and also most importantly, we are going to help you for your interviews, and you will really learn a lot from us. We will be preparing you for your written examination. For a Cadet Pilot Program written examination, the subjects are physics, English and maths. So yes, you will be given proper training and you will be educated on those. A very important part of your Cadet Pilot Program training would be the software exam. Basically, you will be checked on the CAS or the ADAPT. Those are the softwares. So we have training for all those over here. We have all the equipment required, the rudders, the joysticks. So whenever you want to practice with us, you can just come over and do your practices. So when you study here with us, we will also be, keeping a track of all your basically your progress, how well are you doing, and all the necessary people will be informed. We can keep a track of your development, and we will learn just how hard you are willing to work to land your dream career. Now for the Compass, Cutty and Pilot class and the ADAPT, we offer specialized software training rooms designed with all the necessary high-end technology and tools, in addition to an integrated classroom curriculum. Now these are all the classrooms that are online and offline, and whatever you would need for your software training, we have all that available over here. With our excellent training, you will be able to build on your leadership and teamwork abilities. You will also be taught how to conclude and start a group discussion, how to be a good listener and a team player, and how to keep your posture during the GD. Basically, overall grooming will be done over here with us. Just in case you're worried that you are not very fluent with your English, do not worry. We will be conducting several group discussions that will boost both your confidence and your ability to speak in English. We also have group mentoring over here, and the group mentoring purpose is to assist the students in assessing their personalities and preparing for panel interviews. The aspirants will be assisted in connecting through their thoughts with the nature and culture of the aviation business by the personal experience of captains and retired pilots. You will also be trained for your interviews, which is very important. You will have to be facing an interview panel. So before you go attempt for your real one, we will be giving you a lot of mock interviews, and your interviews would be taken by airline pilots itself, and they will be cross-examining you, and they will provide you whatever necessary comments. Also, English is not really important. Fluency is also irrelevant, but your English will improve once you keep giving more and more attempts for your interviews. So over here, you will receive personalized instruction for your first 25 days until you have a knowledge level of 85%, and only then will you be enrolled in a batch. So this is basically to check if you have the ability, or maybe if you're capable enough to be joining the Cadet Pilot Program. The teachers can ensure that you receive adequate one-on-one personal coaching in your early days by doing this. So before you go for the Cadet Pilot Program, it is advisable to finish your Class 1 medical, and also we recommend you to prepare thoroughly before taking the cadet interview. You will regret it by chance you don't get the job after the interview. So why should you enroll with Golden Epaulettes Academy? As you can see, We will help you with the application procedures. We will advise on obtaining the student loan, which is very important for some of the students. So we are going to give you advice on the loan as well. We will help you practice for the interviews and help you with the documentation. Basically, if it's NIOS or your class 1 medical, whatever is required, you will be helped for with all of these. So over here, your performance will be monitored throughout, and also we have online classes just in case you cannot make it for the offline classes. You are attending from somewhere far away, you have the option of coming to us online as well. So this was all about the Cadet Pilot Program classes that we conduct at Golden Epaulettes Aviation. If you have any more doubts regarding this, please feel free to contact us, or you can leave us a comment. We will be happy to answer you all. For more such informative videos and updates, keep following our channel Golden Epaulettes.